Hey everyone! So today I'm going to do a ring pour on a 14 by 14 canvas, and I want it on the dark side kind of. So I've decided on some darker colors, but I am going to put this gold bronze in because it's my new best friend. And I'm actually going to start with that color. And then we're going to go with Liquitex Deep Violet. I want to get this moved over here because I like to layer on the side of the cup. And then we'll do the Folk Art Blue Violet. This is Color Flash. Liquitex Prism Violet. Craft Smart Purple Pearl. And Premier Purple Red. And then I'm going to add some black. Go back to my gold bronze. It's absolutely gorgeous when it's dry. Then the Liquitex Deep Violet. Folk Art Blue Flash. Liquitex Prism Violet. Craft Smart Purple Pearl. Premier Purple Red. I'm going to put some black. And I'm going to put the gold bronze here. So let's see what happens. So right now I just have my black base coat down. The paint mixing videos, the links are below this video in the description. So all these paints have silicone, so we will get cells. Seeing that gold bronze in there is making me very happy. However, let's see if it's changed any of the colors. That's pretty right there. That'll be a nice skin. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start taking it right over. I have a lot of paint on here. Now that is not white, that's purple pearl that you're seeing, so that will dry a little darker too. I think I'm going to leave that right there. Give it a good torch. Now if I wanted definitive rings, I would not have used paint with silicone. So keep that in mind. If you're just starting out and you want that ring look, do not use silicone in your paints. I like the more flip cup look with the cells. I'm a cell person. I do love them. And as you can see on the ends, on the corners, the black is already eating my color, which I love that look. It gives it that lacy look. But let me wipe this off and I'll give you a close-up. Now, it's kind of mucky right now because the colors have to dry. So when this is dry, it should be beautiful. Let me move it this way. But I love the effects you get on the edges with the black. And then in this corner here, we have all our color. But that's going to dry so different. So that's going to be it for that one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell. You'll get notified when I upload new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook as well. We make a lot of announcements there and show dried paintings as well. Also, we have the Stone Coat resin link to get your discount on your resin. Our fan mail box, Our PayPal link is there if you want to donate to the channel. It helps us to buy supplies to keep these videos coming. Also, our next auction will be in the middle of July, so keep that on your calendar. Probably the second or third week of July. We will make the announcement and also put a preview video up a week before. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.